Hey, Bill and I are about to tell you how we figured out how to reverse engineer and hack and use a micro SD card video camera from a drone off of Banggood. So I ordered one of these drones off of Banggood, and it came and it never really worked. I couldn't take pictures with it and it flew erratically, so I had them send me another one, and eventually they just sent me my money back. So I had these drones laying around and I needed them for spare parts for another drone that I crashed, but that's another story. And I thought, well, it's really neat. They have a little 720p camera built in, and they record pictures and video when you're flying. And when I had it apart, I noticed that it's only got 3 wires that goes to this nice little micro SD board with a camera, and one of the wires, or 2 of the wires, went to the battery, and another one's just some sort of signal wire. So I was showing Bill, and Bill said, well, that's probably just on off. And sure enough, I tried it out, and just by touching it to ground, you can record video and photographs. So here, let's give it a shot. Cut. All right, I'm gonna plug the battery in here, and it's malfunctioning. These lights indicate some sort of problem, but if I touch this wire to the ground connection, I gotta get it. Oh wait, maybe I need to. Yeah, now it's not cooperating. Oh, cut. So we're going to take a micro SD card and install it in the little spring-loaded doohickey there, and I'll take the battery and plug it in. And there's something wrong with this drone. It doesn't power up healthy. These flashing lights indicate something, I don't know what. But now I've got this signal wire, and you can see this LED is on solid. If I just touch it to ground, it took a picture. And if I hold it on ground, it's very difficult. Here, it looks like it's recording video now. It's flashing. It's looking at you. It's looking at me. Poor little camera. All right, we'll stop the video. There, it stopped. I'll just touch it, maybe take a picture. It's hard to make the connection. I need to put a switch on here. There, that was a picture. Okay, now I can shut it down. Take the SD card, put it in the computer.
Okay.